What's happening, YouTube? If you're watching this video, welcome to today's live stream. It's 18th of February 2025. We're going to take a look at gold. We're going to take a look at the majors. If you haven't already joined my free Telegram and my free Discord, where I post a lot more of this content for free, mind you, link to both of those is in the description box down below. Just click on it. It's going to take you straight there. And whilst you're down there, do me a massive favor and hit that like button. All right, let's start today's stream. We'll give it a few minutes.
You are tree, your roots strong, branches.
No data. Why is it telling me no data? That's not right. Excellent connection. Okay. Okay, let's get the stream on the way, man. All right. Money day gift. Money day, everyone on the stream right now. Welcome. Let's take a look at what today holds for us. We've got a couple of interesting pictures building at the moment. You know, we got LXO, Leo. Yo, bro, we saying? I'm good, man. How you doing, my bro? You good? Let's take a look at price action since yesterday. So gold, gold is gold be golden. Do you understand? But so far for gold, it's not actually too bad. Mm, long gold ran. What are you saying? You're in a gold long, Leo? Money day, guys. Money day, Joseph or Joe. Money day, Joe Johnson. What's happening, my bro? Yeah, like I was saying, gold's in a pretty weird position, right? Because obviously daily picture, right? Since we took out that high low, we can definitely drop. Obviously, weekly picture is still entirely bullish. 4-hour picture, which is quite interesting, just about broke, right? Just about broke this low ever so slightly. Even when I cross-reference with another broker, you know, with Owanda, it's a lot clearer to see the break. We had a new high as well. We have a much clearer high here as well. So, in my opinion, right now, from looking at the evidence, gold is still in a potential short-in position, especially where we're currently sitting today. It's pretty interesting. Joe Leo says, okay, my keyboard is messed up. Joe says, all good. I'm looking for a short. The area price is. Are you talking about gold, bro? I'm assuming you're talking about gold. Let's just see if we got any high impact news today. Okay, so we had Governor Bailey speaking for the pound. We had average earnings index bonus for the pound as well. That was positive. We had the RBA interest rate decision remained the same for the Aussie. Rest of today, we don't have any high impact news. We've just got CPI, core CPI for the CAD. Okay, so we got some yellow, some 2-star news, but so far, if you're trading like oil, USD CAD, then you should definitely pay attention to those. But since we're not, we're just gonna pay attention to current price. So, like I was saying, gold is in a really interesting position because obviously the 4-hour picture, the daily picture that we're currently getting, in terms of structure, is for price to come down, right? So, ideally, we need to see a little bit more evidence for, you know, the shorts. We need to see more evidence to either go long as well. So today we just need to tread carefully and just bide our time to find that entry for us to execute. Today's not really going to be an overly complicated day. It's pretty straightforward for the most part. Okay, there's no high impact news that's gonna trip us up. So we just have to play it by ear today. But for the time being, gold is pushing up. If we look at the current order flow of price, we can see here that we had Monday, we had a big spike up or big push up during Tokyo to kind of pull back all of this selling price action that we had last week. We had a slight pullback there, consolidation throughout Monday's range due to the holiday. We had a test of this 15-minute candle here, and we've rallied off of that during Tokyo session today. London session, we've had a little bit of a range come London. However, if you look a little bit closer during London, we also had another sweep of this low, right before we started to push up higher. So far so good in terms of the price action that we're getting. To be honest, the only thing that I do have right now is to see if we can get a buy out of this 15-minute candle for gold at the moment. Right now, the DXY, the dollar is quite strong. Well, it's not really strong, but it looks pretty good to push up on the dollar. And if we can get a test on the 15-minute time frame, right? If I zoom out here, if we can reach up higher for that candle, which I think, you know, so far we are getting a push up, is a likely outcome. Okay, so I want to see if we can actually get up there and start to anticipate some shorts. But I'll be honest with you guys, the way the dollar, right, the picture on the dollar is at the moment, we need a pullback. You know, we actually do need a pullback. we've been dropping for quite some time now, and I wouldn't be surprised if we actually take out some of these highs that we were expecting on Friday. All right, so right now we are getting closer to Friday's highs, and we're gonna see. I mean, so far gold's pretty pushing up pretty strong out of that 15 minute. So let's see. That might be the trade, you know, for today, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. That might be the trade for today. If we can take a little buy, because give it, let's say 30 pips. Even when we look at we look at current order flow, current price action, what we've done here during the morning, the only thing that's gonna give me sells at, oh, we've even tested the hourly candles high. Yeah, this should push up, guys. Okay, on the hourly, this should push up. I'll be really honest with you. I like how we've had a play into this candle. Okay, if we can get into this, if gold wants to give us a little bit of a pullback, I'll be interested. Well, the question is if we even get a pullback at this point, but I quite like the price action that we're getting. Let's give it 20, let's say 25 pips. Just looking for a quick 1 to 2R on this. If you want your SL to be safer, you know where to put it, guys. Just log into the right account. Taking a little buy here on gold. Let's get a split screen going. Oh, this phone's dead. No. I've taken a very small buy on gold. To be honest, a safer SL would be down here, right at that 15 minutes candles low. But I quite like our chances on the 5-minute there as well. Take a look at Euro USD. I mean, price action isn't bad, you know. Price action isn't bad at all. I'm in gold, guys. I'm in. Quite like this little 5-minute area here on the DXY. I want to see if we can actually reach up a bit higher. The only thing that I don't really like is I feel a bit rushed entering this position. And I'm waiting for this phone to turn on. What is this price? This price is, what is that? 2911. 2911. Alright, we're getting a pretty decent push up now. Let's see what we can get for gold, ladies and gents, out of this area. We're getting a pretty decent push up so far. It looks good on the lower time frame as well. I like this little 5-minute play here on the dollar. I want to see it take out its high. Hold on. If the dollar takes out its high, then gold should be pushing down realistically. Yeah, I'm feeling a bit too rushed, guys. Let's just take a little step back. Leo says, you think gold is gonna go up today? I'm not sure what gold's gonna do today, you know. I'm not completely sure what gold's gonna do today, but what we are gonna do, or what I am gonna do, is just play this little setup here and then just see how it does. My entries at the moment for gold, what's this price here? I don't like how rushed I feel, so I'm just going to reduce the risk on this one a little bit. Price is 29, 15, 15, 58, 20, 29, 15, 58. 29, 15, 58. So that's my price, that's my SL down there. TP will be, to be quite honest with you, TP should be around here. 29, 29, 29, let's say 29, 21. Let's just say 29, 21. 29, 21, what is that, like I don't even think that's even a 1 to 2 with a 40 pip stop. 29, 21. Yeah, that's not even a 1 to 2. Okay. I mean, to be honest, even though the DXY is pushing up, the price action on the lower time frame for gold, this little gold buy looks alright. I've just moved one of my accounts to small profit just in case it wants to slam down, because with the DXY pushing up, obviously ideally we should see gold come down, so I'm just going to cover the risk on this other account. On this one's running. Let me put some TPs on this one. Put TP there. I mean, we'll see how high this actually wants to run. Like, the lower time frames look surprisingly quite good. Like, to be honest with you, I'm quite surprised how good it looks. We're even getting quite a big push up. I want to see if we can come for this wick here. Oof, we are pushing. Okay, what is this? 27 pips. I mean, in any case, if you guys took a little light buy with me as well, you should have hit TP1 already. As you guys know, TP1 is around 20 pips anyways. I'm gonna move my stop just beneath this candle's low here. This 1 minute candle's low. Okay, just move that one there. I want to see this actually run a little bit more. 21, 29, 21, yeah? I believe that was the price. So realistically, we've had a little pullback. We've had a slight break there. We've had a new high. We pulled back, high, low, creating a new high. I want to see us take out this high here. I just really like this 1 hour candle. The one that we're printing right now. How it tested this candle here looks really, really good to continue pushing. So if we can get to like 21, Sorry, 29.21.5. That'll be quite good. Let me put TP in this one. 29.21.5. Let's adjust the TP there. Let's see here. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad profit that. And realistically, for this secondary position, because I think on this account my price is 29.16.12, 29.16.12, so it's up here, and then 29.16.13. So let's just say that's about 20 pips in prof. Let's see. So with this one, let's give this other position 29, 21. Yeah, let's give it 29.21. How much is that? I reckon you can probably run higher. I mean, look, here's the scenario, right, guys? Just in case gold actually really wants to rip through, I'm probably gonna put my TP at all-time highs, to be honest with you. 29.40. 29.40. Let me do that. I don't want to close the order. Just give me TP. 29.40. Let's try that. At least in that scenario, can manually just take out some profits. If we do pull back down, I don't really expect to see us drop all the way down to the 15-minute candle again. If we do, then fine, but I don't think we will. Well, I wouldn't like to see us do that anyways. Half-hour candle does look a bit dangerous though. We've just had a new half-hour open. Obviously, you guys know how the candles print. We need to make a low and a high. The open, the low, the high, the closure. So if you guys want to take profits or a little bit, then go for it. But I'm just gonna hold the line for now. If this can play out, then we should be good. What's happening, Mark? How you doing, my bro? You good? Okay, let's see if we can get a little push up from here. Now that we've pulled back here. Like, I want to see us push from here. If not, we're going to hit our break even. If this drops beneath, if this 1 minute candle doesn't hold, then we're going to be tapped out at this one. I mean, what's interesting now is the dollar is finally dropping off, but gold is now just coming down. Let's see. Oh, so that's what that noise was. Looks like we're gonna hit. Yeah, we're gonna hit. You gonna take me out? You gonna take me out at break even? Like, I'm about 1 pip from getting taken out. Look at that turnaround. Okay, should hold. Go on, get out there. Go on, give me a new high. Yeah, 5 minute candle looks okay. We got that candle's gonna close in 2 minutes now. 15 minute, half hour. If we can form the half hour candles low here, then we should continue higher. Okay, we're getting a pretty decent push up now. I say decent and it's not really decent, is it, guys? Mark says, can we re-enter if price comes back to entry? Yes, you can. The only thing is, with the current picture that the dollar is printing at the moment, I'm not too sure if I would be comfortable with taking another entry. But let's see. Because right now, all we've pretty much done is we've just about taken out Tokyo's high there for the dollar. Right, for EU. Okay, EU's taken out Tokyo's low. Okay, so far it looks like the DXY will probably continue up, you know. But let's see, bro. If price drops back down to entry, then we'll reassess. Yeah, we'll reassess, bro. I'm gonna put a little TP on this bad boy over here. Whoops. Because I wonder if we're actually going to take out some solid highs. Like, I wonder if we're going to clear out this hourly candle. Like, I wonder if we're going to push above it. I'm just not sure at the moment. Need a little bit more evidence. Like, in my eyes, today is Monday, right? In my eyes, today is Monday. Oh, wait, did the music stop? In my eyes, today is Monday. Yesterday, we had the holiday, so we didn't get the price action that, you know, Monday usually gives us, and then we can kind of go from there. But right now, everything is cool. Just wait and see.
A few seconds is all it took to earn $5. You can see the trading platform work.
Half-hour candle is looking a little bit better. I just want this half-hour candle to flip bullish. If this half-hour candle flips bullish, then we should actually start rallying up. Right? We should. It's only the first 5 minutes, so let's see. Just had a new 5-minute candle open. Right, this new 5-minute candle should not push beneath the previous 5-minute. Okay. If this is going to head up higher, the new 5-minute candle should not be dropping below the previous 5-minute candle. Like, sure, let me go on this screen. Sure, it can pull down. Don't get me wrong, it can pull down. That's fine. But it shouldn't be pushing beneath this low. We want to see the open, low, and high of that 5-minute candle. So we want to see a little bit of a pullback, which is expected with any candle that prints, right? It's going to pull back on the previous candle, and then before giving us a new high or low. Right, this area is looking all right so far. So if you guys went in with a 30 pip SL, you would have hit TP2, or you would have been in 1% profit so far. You just pushed about 30 pips. Okay, let's update the Discord. Okay, I mean, it's pretty decent push up so far. I'm gonna move my SL on this other account as well into profit. I'm moving my stop, right? I'm moving my stop just beneath this 5-minute candle's low, right? That's where my stop is now. So now this trade is officially risk-free. We're just gonna let it play out. Dollar's very interesting right now, and what gold is doing at the same time is very interesting right now as well. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Guys, I was able to catch some Bitcoin shorts yesterday. It was very interesting because I don't usually trade Bitcoin, but I saw Bitcoin. I had a nice little setup here, nice little play, and I was like, you know what? Let me give this a little gander. You know, let me have a little go. And it was actually a pretty smooth setup. Right now, we're in a similar area where we got this previous short from again, so there is a good potential for Bitcoin to go again, right? If we are looking at the short from the exact same area once again, 65, 655 pip SL. Let's see gold. Okay, gold's hit that TP. 5-minute candle looks good on gold. It's just about punched that high. So now we just hold the line. That was a pretty quick setup. Anyone able to jump in this with me, or was it just me? Apologies, guys. Sometimes, you know, you just got to do an impulsive entry and just enter. We saw this setup and looked alright, so we took it. Right, obviously, guys, remember that the target is that 29.21. So once price gets there, it's a bit, you know, it's a bit fugazi. Let's just say that. Because the reason even right now why gold is slowing down is, look, we have this whole candle area here, right? We have this whole candle here, which obviously was the previous pullback that gave us our new lows. So right now we've got a lot of high resistance, right? We've got high resistance for market right now. But the thing is, yeah, we can push up, and let's say we do get a short from here, right? In the scenario that we do, if we get a short from here, then obviously we'll start to see price pull back down. And as you guys know, what I always look for, we want to see a low get taken, and then we want to get a pullback up, right? We want to see a break market structure in lower time frame, get a pullback, and then we can enter for shorts. However, you know, gold is just rallying. You know, I have a feeling like this might just explode through. It might just explode through this area. It might give investors or retail traders the idea like, yeah, we're gonna short from here. This is a sell. Take that sell, and then absolutely rinse through it. So that's what I'm trying to anticipate at the moment, because, you know, the main reason, I'll tell you guys the main reason why I think this is potentially gonna push through is because of how this hourly candle is currently printing. Right, this hourly candle, obviously you guys hear me talk about candles a lot and how price tends to test other candles before moving. When you understand market structure, you can see market structure even from just looking at the 5-minute candles. You can see, I can see here, for example, this here is a high, high, low, high, low, high. This is structure on the 1-minute time frame, right? So I understand just from looking at the 5-minute bar chart, I can see what the line chart is going to look like. Okay, so if we're going to get that continuation, the way we've tested here is really good, and the reaction that we've gotten is even better. So I'm potentially think we may just burst through this area. But on the flip side, yeah, we've got this pretty decent candle here on the hourly, right? Even if the scenario where, you know, gold wants to give us a sell from 29.21, right? Let's just say it does, right? It gives us that sell from there. It could potentially be a pullback for us to get a continuation to all-time highs, right? That is a potential outcome. Okay, look at the candle on the 4-hour as well. It's a pretty solid area to go long from. So there's definitely reason for the short. We're currently running off of the volume, the momentum of current price, and that's what we're playing at the moment. So let's just see how this trade is going. It is 42 pips in prof. It's pretty nice. Gold's having a, sorry, not gold, the DXY is having a difficult time deciding which way it wants to push. I mean, if it wants to drop, that's good news for us. Okay, so next up, we are heading to 29.21. Joe says, got in the buy with you. Nice one, bro. Or with me. Nice one, bro. Took most of the profit at 1.5 R. That's still fine, bro. Do you know what I mean? 1.5 R, 1 to 2 R. Bro, profit is profit. Left a small runner. Nice one, my bro. Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one. Anyone else able to take that little buy? I think Leo, you were in a buy as well, right, bro? We got 6 people on the live stream. Money day, everyone. If you haven't dropped a like on the live stream already, make sure you drop a like, guys. Welcome, welcome, welcome. We're in a pretty decent profit here for gold. All right, next thing that we need to analyze is the new 15-minute candle that is opening in 40 seconds. I read something about Goldman Sachs forecasting gold will head to 3,000. Yeah, that's the thing though. Even for myself from last year December, I was trying to see gold at 3K. You know, even though it was at the time that was very very far away, right? At the time it was very very far away, but I think gold will definitely head to 3K. We're so close, you know. We're so close. I think the highest we got to was 29.70 or something like that, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Was it 29.70? No. Okay, like 29.50, 29.42, right around that price point. So, look, we'll see. We'll see how things wants to progress. But right now, like I've mentioned to you guys, the 4-hour structure, the daily structure, it's all indicating bearish. But I can't lie. See, the thing is, sometimes you don't want to keep buying gold, and I'm completely with that. But it's fucking gold, guys. It's gold. Gold is always too high, you know? Gold is always too damn high, right? Gold is always too damn high. And I wouldn't say it's very often where, you know, we get such a monumental pullback on gold, right? This was the last time we had a pretty decent pullback on gold over here. That was a pretty decent pullback, right? But since then, we've had a, you know, small pullback, another small pullback, and a huge push. So it's like, look, gold is always too damn high. Always. Look at that. It's always too damn high. You know? When we look here, gold is too high. Pullback. Boom. We go up again. To be fair, this is quite a considerable pullback here. In the 1980s. It's quite a pullback, I'll be honest. But that's the play so far. To be honest, the new 15-minute candle just opened, so let's take a look at it. Okay, so guys, same thing again. High, low. Right? High, low. We've hit 29.21. So, you know, if you want to take profits, do it now. If you want to take profits, do it now, guys. Even me on this account, I'm very close to TP. Let me see how high I can ride this wave without me getting too greedy. I think that's fair up there. Alright, cool. Let me check this other one too. We're getting a little bit of a pullback. So, like I said, on the 15-minute, we need to see the lower the 15-minute, the higher the 15-minute. Sometimes we might just finish a doji. That also happens, right? But the exact same thing that we saw with the previous 15-minute, I don't actually want to see us push beneath this 15-minute candle now, because on the 15-minute, that is the low, that is the high, and that's the new low, right? This is the new low because we created a high off of this low here. So the 15-minute can actually come all the way back down to entry. It can, but we don't want to see it take out this low. Does that make sense, guys? Right, if this buy is going to continue being a buy, we don't want to see it take out the low. Okay, let's see if we can make it through this last 15 minutes. Looks like this last 15 minutes we're going to get a bit of turbulence. Right. The next thing is this 15-minute candle here. Sorry, this 5-minute candle here. Get a pullback. Sure, right? Still keep your SLs beneath this candle's low on the 5-minute, right? We can see a pullback, but we don't want to see it push beneath this low, right? So if you haven't taken profits, take them. Even though we've just dropped about, what is that, 20 pips, 30 pips, you know, it's still profit, guys, so you don't need to get greedy. But so far, I'm feeling okay. This is quite a sharp pullback, but I think we're okay. Let's see. Like, realistically, this should just test this 15. Sorry, I keep saying 15. This should test pullback on the recent push up, get a pullback, and then slowly get a continuation up. Right? So right now, we got 10 minutes left of the hourly candle to close. And we still want to see the hourly candle finish, you know, bullish, right? Want to see quite a strong bullish bodied candle. So even though we're not looking good right now, it's still fine. We still got time for the next few minutes candles to print. All right, let's see if we got anything in the chat. Best football moments. Is this Leo again, or is this someone else? What's happening, my bro? Welcome to the stream. You said in the chat box, in the live chat box, you think I can hold gold now longer when I enter that 29.12. Oh, you entered gold quite low. Yeah, sure. I reckon, to be honest, ideally take most of your profits out at 29.20, to be honest, where we've just dropped from. But like there's an odd chance that gold will push up higher today, and that's kind of what I'm banking on. Like, I'm banking on gold potentially going back to like 29.30, maybe even 29.33, 35. That's what I'm banking on at the moment, right? Okay, so we're getting a push up again on gold. DXY is still undecisive. Bitcoin. See if we can get a little movie on Bitcoin. It looks alright, Bitcoin. Let me put alert on this. Okay, so what am I seeing right now for gold? Okay, so we're getting a nice pull up, yeah? Now, what I don't want to see is this candle, right? I don't want to see price test this candle and start dropping. That's what I don't want to see. I want to see us push through this area. With the previous 1 minute candles closure, it's not the nicest, but let's see how it progresses. I want to see us just completely fly through here. And if we can fly through here, we can get this picture here. If we get a fly through here, we can even get a pullback and then a push up, right? We can actually get a push through and a push up. Test the same area and then fly up. So let's see. Let's see. Right now it's holding us back, to be honest. The candles are printing really bearish from there. Ooh. Yup. That's what I was worried about. Okay. How this 5 minute candle. This 5 minute candle is gonna close in 3 minutes. What's the alert, Bitcoin? I might take a little wee short on Bitcoin, you know. Let's see. Where's my chart? Okay. So this 5 minute candle closes in 2 minutes 30 seconds ish. I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it close bearish, because if it closes bearish, we're gonna come down. It's that simple. Okay, this 1 minute candle might give us a bit more energy up. Let's see the 30-second. Okay, the seconds time frames look a little bit better. Mark says in the chat, why that candle specifically, JD? Candle? Which candle? Are you talking about this one? I think you're talking about this one, Mark. So essentially, this is something that I teach during the one-to-ones and during the mentorship. But essentially, you've got to understand schematics, right? there's different anchor points in price, right? So what do I mean by anchor points? I mean, this is not supposed to be a lesson, but what do I mean by anchor points? There's areas in market where price tends to have, like, how do I explain it? It tends to struggle to push through the area. So in this scenario here, right, if we look at it during market structure, I teach levels of structure, right? Key levels of structure. And essentially, this candle here, right, is the exact same candle, or the exact same reason why I liked this hourly candle, because of this candle here, right? Look, we pushed down when we made the hour. We made our low of the hour here. We also tested this down candle before we pushed up. This is not exactly the exact same schematic, but it's one of the schematics here, right? Where we can get a test, right? Especially on the lower time frames. We can get a test of this price and market will start to reject from it. Now, I don't use this for entries or anything. I just use it to manage my positions, right? To ascertain whether I should take profits or to potentially leave it run. Okay. When you're ready for one-to-one, yeah, bro, I'll show you all the tricks. Don't worry. So right now, I want to see what we want to do. 5-minute candle's closed. Let's take a look at the 5-minute candle. Okay, the 5-minute candle's alright. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not, you know, very strong. Like, it's not giving me a lot of confidence that we're going to push up, but it's okay. Again, like I said, today is Monday. I know today's Tuesday, but for me, today is Monday, so I'm not really expecting much. Today is this week's Monday. I hope that made sense, Mark. I know it might not make sense, to be honest with you. It might not, but I can't really go into full-blown detail, especially when I'm literally in this position myself. So tomorrow we got CPI for the pound. Let me put some alerts on this. Tomorrow we got CPI for the pound. And that's it. We got FOMC. Ooh. We got FOMC tomorrow evening.
I need to talk to you. We need.
Okay. Guys, if you haven't taken profits, take profits, man. I still think we're probably going to push through. Right? LTFs look fine. 15-second looks fine as well. But this area is really holding us back right now. And the hourly candle is going to close in 3 minutes. So if the hourly candle closes in 3 minutes, you've got to understand what's the thing, sorry, that we've been talking about today. New candle open needs to make the low, high, close, right? Wherever this previous candle closes or finishes, we're gonna get open, low, high, close. So if you don't want to see or sit through another pullback into your profit or potentially get closer to where you entered, then it's best for you to take that position off as soon as the new hourly candle opens, right? Obviously, when there's a new candle that opens, right, there's usually volume, right? New hourly candles, new half hour, new 15-minute candle, you see that it's going to move, right? And in that movement, yeah, it can definitely push up, but it can also pull back down. So you can, let's say, have your finger on the close or on your partial profit, yeah? Have your finger on the partial profit, waiting. New candle opens, you see if it starts to push up, then you wait, and then you start closing. But right now, I'm risk-free. We should all be risk-free, so I'm just gonna wait. We've got 2 minutes. We're literally not breaking through here. It's quite interesting, actually. Okay, let's see. Mark says slightly appreciate it regardless. Yeah, my bro. Like it's a lot more complicated if I spend the time to go through it in detail. Like I'll actually need quite some time to explain what that type of schematic is. We got 8 people on the stream here right now, guys. If you're enjoying the live stream, we are currently in gold longs in profit, completely risk-free. If you enjoy this type of content, more of this content is provided for free inside of my Discord and Telegram. Link to both are in the description box down below. And as always, drop a like whilst you're down there if you haven't done so already. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin has dropped that low. I'm interested in taking a very, very small short on Bitcoin, you know, guys. I'll be honest with you. I am, to be honest. I am. But here's the other thing, right? It doesn't make sense for me to sell Bitcoin when I'm trying to buy gold. But then again, they're not completely correlated. Okay, we're definitely gonna have to wait for that hourly candle to open before we get anything. Alright. Oh my goodness, my elbow pain. Alright, so what am I looking out for right now? Right now I'm looking out for this low here. Right? If we hit that low there, I'm gonna think about closing. If we hit beneath this low and you still haven't taken partials, I don't know what you're doing. Right, if we dip beneath this low, I might just take everything off the table, to be honest with you. Bitcoin looks alright for a short, you know, guys. I'll be honest with you. Looks alright for a short. I might take a little something on this, you know. Let's give it a little go. See if we can get up to about 1 to 2. I'm gonna take a little position on BTC. Yeah, let me try it. Why not? Alright, taking a small short down Bitcoin. Gonna put the stop above that high there. Gonna put TP at those lows there. Okay, so I've taken a small short on Bitcoin. We're getting a push up on gold as well, which is good news. Main target for Bitcoin is going to be these lows here, but we'll see if we even get it, to be honest with you guys. We'll see if we even get it. Alright, getting a push up. I like how the previous 15-minute candle closed. It's not bad at all. It wasn't an amazing close, but it wasn't a bad one. 5-minute as well. It's alright. It's alright. Price action is alright right now, guys. It's not bad. It's not amazing, but it's not bad. We didn't push beneath this low, and we definitely didn't come down here. So, just gonna keep a little eye out. Okay, I think Bitcoin's moving. Oh, it's just pulling back. I've entered literally a very, very small position on Bitcoin right here. Like, that's the thing though. Bitcoin can definitely drop, but it can also push back up again. You know, what can we see? We've taken out Tokyo's high. We've also taken out yesterday's high, I believe. Yeah. The only problem that I have with this is that my SL is definitely too small. My SL needs to be bigger, but let's just give it a go. Why not? We're gonna pull back there. All right, new area. We look like we look well. We now look like we're gonna take out the high. So let's wait and see. The new low to look out for is this one on the 1 minute. Let's just zoom out for a second. Hourly. Okay, so what I don't like so far is the new hourly candle doesn't have a wick, right? Doesn't have a wick at its lows. Does it? Okay, maybe it has a teeny tiny one. I can see something down there. Okay, it's got the world's tiniest wick I've ever seen. Barely even 1 pip, but it does have a wick. Okay. Let's see if this hour we want to continue pushing up. Let's see if we've got any questions in the chat. You guys enjoying the stream so far? Drop a like on the stream, guys. If you took this long on gold, drop a like on the live stream. Let me know if anyone else did, other than Joe, Leo, and I think that's it. Who else is in the live stream, guys? Come say hello. Come say hello in the live chat box. Okay, good prof so far. 45 pips. Sigh. Nothing too crazy. I wonder what's gonna happen at that 15 minute, you know? I wonder what's gonna happen here. Like we could definitely sell off. Like we could definitely sell off from here. Like, you know, price is very slow right now. Leo said, of course I liked. I guess you're saying you liked. Best stream, appreciate it, my bro. You flatter me too much. Okay, we're getting that push off from gold now. It's good so far. New low here. That's the new low I'm looking out for. We can definitely still get a pullback, and you know, with this little push up that we got here, which was more animated than the previous minute candles. Why was that? The new 5 minute candle opened, right? The new 5 minute candle opened, so we're gonna again get the open, low, high, close. Do you understand? So if this is gonna continue and I want to keep managing my position, let me fact that's right. Let me move my stop. Bitcoin's not going so well. Standard behavior from Bitcoin. I'm gonna move my stop. I'm moving my stop to 29.17.6, so it's at this low. So if you've got MT4 or 5 on your screen, this is where my new SL is now. I've moved it from here to here. All right, we are currently struggling. Current 15-minute candle looks a bit trash. I think we are starting to get exhausted, you know. Thing is, I do think we will push up. Let me see what Bitcoin is doing. It's quite a nasty pullback there for me, Bitcoin. What's the Nasdaq doing? It's coming down. Oh, Nasdaq's up. Dow Jones is down. The Dow Jones is really coming down. We're getting slightly more bullish candles on Bitcoin. I wonder if the Nas will drop too today, or is it going to be bullish? Let me move this stop on this account as well. Alright. Stop's been moved. Let's see if we're gonna have a bullish day. The hourly picture doesn't look bad. 4 hour looks even better. Right? Wait, I'm looking at my phone instead of showing you guys on the screen. Lol. Okay. So that's that 4 hour candle. Like this 4 hour candle looks likely to take out the previous, well, this 4 hour candle's high, which is 2921.86. I think that's pretty likely. Yeah. 2921.86. This is quite a healthy 4 hour candle as well. Like we look okay. We just look okay, guys. I'll be honest. It's just okay. It's nothing to scream home about. It's just okay. Bitcoin looks okay too. Why is this not letting me scroll up?
Save on your holiday with TUI. Dreaming of a relaxing escape? Or thinking about an active adventure? Get something for less right now in the TUI sale. The TUI sale is now.
Okay, so like I said to you guys earlier, or what that's pretty much happened is we've had a push through. Remember this area, yeah? Mark and everyone else. We had a push through this area. What did we do here? We had a test and we just pushed up again. Pretty standard stuff. Well, this is not standard, but you get the point. Alright, so we are continuing, which is nice. Let's see if we can keep going. Okay, so now the new low is here. What is this tune playing right now? And guys, I can't even play the Amapiano stuff that I want to play because YouTube's flipping. They've Bitcoin. It's pushing up. Yeah. So YouTube has pretty much blocked my video or that live stream from like a bunch of countries. Can you imagine these guys, man? Okay, I think we just pushed above 20. Yeah, 20, 29, 21, 86. We just pushed above it now. Yeah. So again, if you haven't taken profits, you better do it now. This is like territories where we're anticipating some shorts. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. I might even close this Bitcoin, you know. I don't even know why I got myself involved in Bitcoin when I know my stop should be bigger. Anyways, this high is going to be very interesting to see if we can take it today. It's going to be very interesting. Put some alerts on it as well. Okay. Bruh, as soon as I get out, it pushes up, lol. Mark says, JD, the stream's gonna split over YouTube and Discord. Yeah, that is the plan, you know, bro. The thing is, yeah, that's the plan. The thing is, I do want to offer like live streams mainly on Discord because I think it's more interactive. But I will post some of these on YouTube as well. YouTube just has like a wider audience. Meanwhile, obviously the Discord is just like for the members and whoever's just in there. think we may have just reached terminus for this trade, you know. Again, some pretty aggressive pushes down. Okay, so like I said to you, this is the new low here. Right? If we push beneath this low, then there's a good chance we're gonna come down lower. Like, I wouldn't realistically want to be in a position beneath like 2919.6 if we come down that deep. You know, 15-minute candle looks okay, 5-minute looks okay. The 1 minute does look like it just wants to give us a little pullback, right? So let's see if that's true. We're just gonna follow price as it prints. See if we can get a push up out of here. Coming down. Okay, we just dropped beneath that low now. New minute candle's about to open. See if we can get a push up. If not, I'm just gonna take this whole position off. We huddling, holding the line, holding the line. Holding the line. I don't want to see this 5-minute low get taken. This is a pretty nasty wick here. That's pretty interesting. New 15-minute candles also opened. I don't like those wicks up here. Stocked up 3 more positions. You are insane, bro. Honestly. Gold gonna shoot soon. Let's see, bro. So we didn't hold that minute candle. We dropping off real fast, boy. Last stance. The last area. Let's see Bitcoin. Last area, ladies and gents. If we don't get push up from here, we're done. My fingers on the close. Alright, 9 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. New minute candle. Let's give it some time to breathe.
Hi, Siri. Hello. Talk to me now. I already told you I am sorry. I am sorry. I am genuinely sorry, please.
Yeah, man, it's not cute. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. Got out of there. Got out of there, boys. Got out of there. Bitcoin looks like it wants to push up as well. Unlucky. Yeah, that's the thing though, you know. That's the area that I was waiting for. If it got hit, then I'll be out of the position. And now we're seeing gold finally push back up a little bit as well. What's the DXY doing? It's not doing much. Okay. Oh, gold, you gonna push up? Oh, gold is doing it to me. Gold is gonna push up, huh? Let's see anyways. To be honest, if gold does push through this area, right, then what we can do is look for a re-entry. So far it's like, it's not the best, but it is what it is. It's fine. We're not always gonna get the perfect price action that we're looking for.
Who are you talking to? What's up? Welcome to Developer
Okay, so we got a
Tutorial.
similar
In
picture
today's
building
video,
here as
I'll
well.
teach you how to animate elements within the Wix Studio to achieve parallax effects. Chuck an ice latte. Cold. And
I'm trying to see if this will actually come down, or we're gonna make a new high from here.
pinky finger.
If we make a new high from here, it's just unfortunate.
Make sure to subscribe
It's
and
just
watch
unlucky.
that introductory teaser
But let's see.
onwards and upwards and forwards with this tutorial. Alright folks, so the first thing you want to do is navigate to wix.com/studio.
We're getting
and
a
you'll be
push.
presented with this page. And realistically,
We got
all
the
you have to
stock
do is
open
just click
in
start.
10 minutes. So now it's doing. That was dropping off. Naz might follow soon, you know. Damn, gold, man. Gold really did it. Gold just dropped 30 pips and it's now straight back up 25 pips. Ooh, that's a pretty nasty 5-minute candle. Let me check here. Oof, that is a pretty nasty 5-minute candle, guys. Can't lie. That is a pretty nasty 5-minute candle. We wicked down, we've closed back up here, man. It's jarring. Wick down and close back. Gonna bust the highs. Yep, we're going for those highs, man. Definitely unlucky on my end. But again, can't be upset with taking profit. Took a little something home. I got one position still running here, and I think Bitcoin just hit stop. Yeah, standard. Alright, so for the runner, this low is the new significant low here. Sufficing, we can get a new high. It looks pretty good though. I might just take this position, you know. Let's see. Damn. Gold really doing the bamboozle. DXY hasn't reacted at all, but that was a very nasty wick this here. Very nasty wick. Very nasty. But it looks like we will continue pushing for gold. Thinking of entering Bitcoin maybe a little bit higher. Bitcoin can get higher. Think about entering. Okay. Did I enter a new position on gold? No, I did not. My main position on gold, I did close once we got to around here. Like here-ish. My smaller position on gold is still in at 29.16.12. So it's like around here somewhere. Right now, I'm just trying to anticipate and watch what gold's gonna do next. This is a high risk entry for gold, but with that massive candle there, I don't think we're gonna return back to it. So I think this area should be okay. It's a crazy high risk entry. Well, it's not really crazy, but you get the point. Okay, so 5 minute, 15 minute. What letters that Bitcoin? Bitcoin's pushing up. 29.56. 20. Sorry, 96.56. All I've got in my head is gold numbers right now. Okay, so just managing the position right now. There is a potential pullback here. Woo, Bitcoin 96.62. We're going to the upper room. Gold's going to the upper room as well. Set some more alerts. All right, let's see. Like, I wouldn't really buy here. Wow, Bitcoin 96. The reason why I wouldn't buy here is because of this 15-minute candle here. Obviously, like I said to you, structure on the higher time frame is bearish, but we're not getting any bearish confirmations at the moment. We are continuing to be bullish, but this is not a bad area for gold to pull back, especially when we look at the hourly. There's a much better discounted price for gold to pull back to give us some buys. Obviously, we got in today. We took a little something today, and we should be happy with that. But if you are feeling a little bit more ballsy, and you want to find another entry or re-entry for gold, that's it right there. Is this a classic fake out here from Bitcoin? Maybe we can go in for a short. It's not a bad area. Alright, let's see how many people on the stream now. Everyone's staying engaged. Okay. Good news. Good news. Bitcoin's coming down. Giz says been away, so didn't catch any moves. It's all good, bro. It's only day one. You know how it is. We're gonna catch something for sure. Oh, you see the DXY coming down, yeah? Okay, bro. It's interesting. I think the DXY is due a flipping pullback this week. But right now, this is, oof, dollar's looking bearishy. You're shorting the Nas. Okay, Joe. Good luck, my bro. I think we just had a stock open. No, we haven't. Wow, Nas is moving prior. Look at that gap. I'll probably give it. You know what? You enter your trade. I know you know what you're doing anyway, so I won't give my opinion on Nas just yet. Shorting Nas. Nas is coming down right now, bro, so that should be some okay or decent profit for you, depending on your lot sizes. TP hit. Amazing, bro. Amazing. Oh, yeah. It's dropping real heavy now. Look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is dropping with it too. Should I enter another Bitcoin short? I am tempted. I'm not gonna lie to you. I am tempted. You doing things I'll never do. Stock open is not here yet, but Bitcoin does closely follow, well, not close, but it does follow the Nasdaq. Sorry, not gold, Bitcoin. What am I talking about? You guys can tell in my head, all I'm thinking thinking about right now is gold. Gold. The dollar is dropping though, but to where? To where is the dollar dropping to? Got a little half-hour imbalance here on the DXY. Let me put an alert under the DXY. Stock open is just now. Let's go gold. Should be in some nice profits there, Joe. On Nas. Continuation on gold. Hourly candle looks crazy strong. Yep, blipping up on gold. Go on gold. Gold's going to the upper room. I mean, that's interesting. Dollar's actually pushing up. Okay. I'll break it down there as well. Bitcoin pushing down. It's quite a heavy candle there. Bitcoin's dropping. DXY moving mad. Is it, bro? Oh, wow. It's quite a candle. Yeah, that's the thing I was concerned about. It's like, to where is the DXY going to come down to? You know, especially after last week. A pullback's probably ideal. Right? If I'm going to see how the weekly candle is going to close, or the weekly candle is going to print, it's like, bro, should at least get a high. Maybe even if we do come down, it's like we got to get higher the week somewhere. You know, we got to get higher the week somewhere. Right now it's quite strong, in fact. Gold is still holding out, holding its own. We go up to 29, 23. I might just take this on gold. Secure that. You got into a small Bitcoin short. Okay, bro. Nice. I like it. You know, get into something on the stream, man. Do you know what I mean? I'm giving you guys setups. If you align with it, you want to take it, sure, go for it. Got a little pullback there. I'll just move my SL up there on gold. Bitcoin's 15-minute candle doesn't look too good to push down, you know. It really doesn't. But let's see if it does. 1 minute looks okay, but 15-minute doesn't. But let's see. I mean, the next 15-minute could actually engulf the lows, right? Even a half hour could just come for the lows, just sweep the lows. So that's what you'd be banking on there, Mark. Nice, bro. Thank you for the stream. Today I'm going now work for my mom. See ya. How much is my one-to-one? Send me a message, bro. Send me a message on Discord or Telegram. We can talk about it. What else we got? Gold is still continuing to push, which is good news. Dollar's starting to fail as well. Guys, I'd say we call this stream a success. You know what I mean? It's a good stream. 29.26.8. I think that's pretty likely, you know? Like, I wouldn't even be completely surprised if it's you know, I wouldn't be completely surprised. I wouldn't be surprised if we actually take out all-time highs. Oh, go on, not Ritesh, Mark. You should be laughing right now, Mark. Yeah? You can profit there, Mark, yeah? Follow Bitcoin closely. I don't think you trade Bitcoin, do you, Mark? Guys, if you've taken any trades from the live streams, you know, if you've seen a setup there, you've taken a trade, guys. I do literally all of this for free. All I ask for you guys is in the Discord, take a little screenshot, post it in the profit section. Yeah, just post it in the profit section. That's it, guys. You know, that's all I'm asking for all of you. Whatever positions, whatever moves, post it in the Discord, preferably in the profit section. Let me see what you guys are taking, what trades you guys are taking, how it's going. You know, let's have a conversation, guys. At the end of the day, you know, that's the whole point of having a community, right? That's the whole point of having a community. So I want you guys to use it. Let's build the best flipping community out there, man. DXY is pushing up. Okay, so dollar will probably push up, you know, I reckon dollar's gonna keep pushing. Bitcoin looks pretty good on the 15-minute. We got some text in here. The live stream. You have a fixed price because I don't have much. Still a student. Yeah, bro, just message me. It is a fixed price. Just message me and then we can talk about it, where you're at, what's your current level of understanding in the market, and then I can tell you what it is, because, you know, I'd rather just have a private conversation with you. So I hope you understand. Just send me a message or we can have a conversation on the phone. We've got Mark. They always are, to be honest. I've completely forgot what the context was of that. Yeah, we're good. Okay, so I think you're talking about Bitcoin. Not really. Okay, so you don't really trade Bitcoin. Okay. But I have been monitoring it closer more recently. Okay. Love this community for real. It's always gift, man. Love, my bro. Your streams are always good. Thank you, Mark. Thank you. Guys, I tried to show you guys, look. We're going to take W's, but we're also going to take L's. Do you understand? And part of the reason why I'm doing all these live streams, like, look, you guys can just join me if you don't want one-to-ones, if you don't want mentoring, if you don't want to pay for VIP, you can just join me on live stream. Put in the same time that I am. You know, interact with the community, show your progress. Do that. Do you understand? So I'm giving everyone a free option. If you want trades, you want my copy trades are now, I've got a free option for the copy trades. yeah, you can just go on the Star Trader section and auto copy my account. So whatever trades I take on my account is replicated onto your account. Like, guys, it's free. I just take a commission on profits only. So any losses, I don't take commission, just profits only. And I think that's a pretty fair exchange, if you ask me. Anyways, guys, I low-key, and by low-key, I mean high-key, I want to end this stream here. I think we've had a pretty good stream. We don't need to, you know, push this any further. I'm going to see if I can sell Bitcoin again. On my personal, I'm going to see if I can sell Bitcoin again. Which site? You're in my Discord, right, bro? I think it's Leo. Which site? Are you in my Discord? The link to the Discord's in the description box down below. So if you are in there, you go to the sections of the Discord and you go to get started in the Start Trader section, yeah? If you go to the get started section in Star Trader, you're gonna see the steps. It's pretty straightforward. You just sign up. There's a link there for you to sign up. You can get 70% deposit bonus if you use the link. And then step 2, you just go to the copy trade website. You attach your MT4 or 5 account to my provider account, and that's it. That's literally it. That's all you gotta do. Obviously that option is available to everyone, and the way that I'm trading that account is very, very safe, very, very conservative. I'm not taking any you know, big positions. I'm taking very, very light risk. In fact, I just closed one of the gold trades now on that account, the copy trade account, right now. I just closed it now. I don't know if you guys can hear the gavel from my PC, but yeah, it's a very, very low risk account. So it's just slow, easy profits. That's it. I'm not trying to flip that account or do anything crazy with it. If we get a day, right? If we get the right scenario, right? I'm going to show you guys, right, how you can conservatively trade and then know when to push the buttons, right? Because there's times where you need to push the buttons, or where you can push the buttons, shall I say, and then there's times where you just take it easy. Gift says, I was scalping Bitcoin all day yesterday, lol. Trust me, Bitcoin shorts yesterday was pretty smooth, man. Okay, I thought I can use funded accounts or something. Yeah, bro, I know you're crazy about funded accounts. Pardon me, sorry about that, guys. I know you're crazy about funded accounts, but don't forget that you can also learn through live accounts. Right? Instead of throwing the money all away on a funded account because you breach it, why don't you try and trade it live? Any profits on that live account is actual realized real profits, and you can just withdraw it. Anyways, I've literally closed out my last position here. I'll just take the 82 pips prof. I'll just take that. I'll just take that for today. We're gonna get a really nasty pullback on Bitcoin. Woo! Bitcoin, you nasty, nasty, nasty boy. Oh wow. The power of Bitcoin, 680 pips. Wow. That's pretty aggressive. Anyway, so let me post this up inside of the Discord as well. And guys, let's get some more conversations inside of the Discord, you know? The normal conversations you guys were having inside of the Telegram, let's start having it inside of the Discord, you know? You guys chat amongst yourselves, you know? If you got any questions you want to ask the community, go for it. Right? Don't always wait for me to come say something. Take a snapshot. Boom. Copy text. Boom, boom, boom. that in delete that one. Alright, that's quite a sharp rejection there from Bitcoin. We're getting a bit of a test there on the hourly, so I'll be careful with this. New hour candle opens in 17 minutes. I mean, look, I'll tell you what, if this setup is going to play out, it's just going to sell off. Do you know what I mean? So don't need to really worry about the pullbacks. The Nasdaq's been coming down very, very well. So we should see Bitcoin continue to drop. Anyways, with that being said, guys, I hope you all enjoy the stream. Oh, we got some more text. Haha, yeah, I know. Safraz, how you doing, bro? You took a while to get in here. Hope you're good. How do I message you privately? You guys got my Telegram. You guys got my Discord. Telegram might be easier because I'll be sorry. I'm looking at my Discord right now. I've got like 47 direct messages. But yeah, you can message me on Discord or Telegram. Like, it's cool. Any's fine. Or you can just at me in the Discord and I can message you directly as well. Mark says I got out too early. Yeah, bro. You see, with Bitcoin, like, the thing with Bitcoin is it will give you headache when you want to enter, like, and it will be in drawdown. The thing with Bitcoin, I would say for everyone is, bro, if you're not comfortable in drawdown, don't trade Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin will keep you in drawdown for the longest, and then all of a sudden, boom, it's just gonna blip like hundreds of pips, 4, 5, 6, 800 pips instantly. Like, look at this trade here yesterday. Yeah, I was on the 1 minute or the sub 5 minute, shall I say, right? My entry price was here, right? Drawdown, we went to profit, then we started going to deep drawdown. I was like, you know what? If this setup's gonna play out, it's gonna play out. And all of a sudden, I got up, went to get some water, and my alerts are going off. I was like, what is going on? I see Bitcoin is down like almost 1,000 pips. I was like, damn. Do you understand? So Bitcoin, if you're in profit, just keep watching. You just keep watching because it will pull back. But once Bitcoin wants to go in a direction, it's just gonna fly there very, very fast, right? So sometimes try to hold it. If you're in deep profit, just move your SL to break even, take partials, all right? Because I wouldn't be surprised if this just completely engulfs the low. All right, let's see, we got some more questions. Money Day, people, gonna be a great week. I love that, Joe. I love that, Joe. Come on, my bro. I'm waiting to see if there's a pullback. Might get back. Yeah, well, I'm waiting for a pullback too, and I don't think it's gonna happen, you know. We might have to try in the next hour. Yeah, or the next 2 hours, because that's when the new 4-hour candle is gonna open. So I think this is probably gone without us. At Mark, I was about to say you must be happy right now, lol. Got good profits, bro. Yeah, nice one, nice one, nice one. I'm trying to get out of the I could have had more profit mentality. That's true, bro. Which leads me to revenge trading. Look, I'm glad you... Ooh, look at Bitcoin, boys. 830 pips, 840. 837, 828, 780. Look at that. That pullback. It's tiny, but it's a lot. That's 100 pips right there. Best way, bro. Profit is profit no matter how small. Amazing, guys. Amazing, amazing, amazing. That's it, man. That's why there's the community. Talk with each other, not just on the live stream. Guys, don't wait for me to get on the live stream for you to talk to each other, right? I might not always be available, but don't worry, guys. I'm always there watching, and you know, I will respond. You guys know I'm responsive anyways, right? I'm even thinking of doing like a Q&A or like a weekly catch-up, right? A weekly catch-up where we will do like a Q&A inside of the Discord. We'll do like a face-to-face stream. Well, not face-to-face, but like video stream, right? And we'll have a conversation with each other, talk about each other's weeks, how it's been progressing, and you know, kind of like those support groups, right? Yeah, Damn, look at the NAS. It's looking insane. Guys, look at the NAS and look at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin, look at NAS. Look at Bitcoin, look at NAS. Look at Bitcoin, look at NAS. What do you notice? What do you notice? I don't know. You tell me. You tell me what you notice. Yeah, let's see the Dow. It's pulling back. S&P is also pulled down as well. Okay, guys, I'm gonna call the stream there. I'm calling off the rest of today. I think for gold, we're most likely gonna keep pushing through the roof. Hopefully we don't break all-time highs today. Hopefully we can get it tomorrow, because right now we look really good for all-time highs. Right? I'll be honest. Right now we look really good for all-time highs. But that's the thing, though. Gold can surprise you. We do look good for all-time highs. I'm not gonna lie. If we can get a pullback down to this candle here at some point, like, I think the buys from here are gonna be pretty sweet. You know, that's 400 pips to the high already. Anyways, guys, if you're still in the gold trade, just keep holding it. I'll just close when you feel comfortable and when you're okay with it. That's the only thing I'll do, bro. Oh, guys. Look at Bitcoin, 850. Absolutely melting. Absolutely melting. I want to see this hourly candle close beneath here. Like, ideally close beneath this low, but I don't think it will. Oh, 1,000 pips. We just touched 1,000. We just touched 1,000 pips, guys. There's talks of Bitcoin to 92k this week or sometime soon. Like 92k, I quite like 92k for Bitcoin. Since we had this, I think this was the market rollover for when Trump was imposing the tariffs. We've had this massive daily candle, and we've just been in a nasty range ever since. And I think this wick needs to be filled, or at least take out this low here on Wednesday, 12th of Feb. So I think we can get 92k at some point. Okay, so for everyone, if you took the trade at the start of the stream with a 30 pip stop, you would have gained 3% so far, on the way to 4, 5, 6%, to be honest with you. This looks pretty good, you know. Looks pretty good. Is there anything else to look at? DXY still messing around. What's EU doing? What's GU doing? I think GU is probably going to take the main stage today. Yeah, those pairs don't look the best. Okay, today's satisfactory. Oof, gold's going for it. Gold's really going for it. That's the second alert. 29.26.8. Are we actually gonna get all-time highs from here? I'm not gonna lie, I would be upset if I didn't get involved in all-time highs for gold. Alright, I'm gonna leave you guys with this setup, okay? Because we look like we're gonna keep going. Right, there's a little pullback right now on gold. This is what I'm gonna wait for. Can look for a little re-entry there. Again, obviously, you know, we want to enter gold a lot lower, but let's just see if the new hourly candle that opens, we can get a low of the hour form where that 5-minute entry is, right? If we can get a low of the hour form around where that 5-minute candle is, I think we've got a really good chance to go for at least the high of 29.33. Right? I think we've got a pretty good chance of going for 29.33. So ideally, I want this entry to come like around the new hourly candles open. Right? That's the setup I'm going to leave you guys with on the stream. I'm going to look at this myself as well, and I'm going to see if I can lock in and catch a little bit more of this, because This is still going, which is quite impressive, to be honest with you. It's quite impressive. Again, this is going to be high risk, but it is what it is. I think he's got a pretty decent chance. Yeah? Does that make sense, guys? I'm going to cut the stream there. We've got FOMC tomorrow, so what am I doing? Am I doing football tomorrow? No. I'll probably do a Discord FOMC session. We'll decide, yeah? I'll make a little poll in Discord. We can all vote to have live stream for FOMC or New York session, yeah? Other than that, always remember the theory behind the practice, money day. I'm glad you all joined me today in such big numbers. I'm really, really happy. And I hope you guys are happy from the live stream as well. I will see you guys tomorrow. Trade safe, guys. Peace.